Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Bright to remove late payments from your credit reports. Late payments can seriously damage your credit, but Bright helps you to prevent them and even take actions if they show up. First, Bright's autopay ensures that you never miss a due date by automatically paying your minimums on time every time. But if a late payment does appear on your credit report, Bright gives you the tools to respond. The app shows you when the late payment occurs and helps you to draft a goodwill letter to your creditor, especially if it was a one-time slip and you've had a strong payment history since. You'll also get guidance on how to formally dispute inaccurate late marks with the credit bureaus if needed. Bright keeps your credit report clean, but allows you to fix them if they do happen. And that's it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, subscribe to the channel, and ring the in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.